Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everybody is feeling fine. Please do take care of yourself and please take the necessary precautions to safeguard yourself against the pandemic. And hopefully together we bring down the number of community cases wherever you are in Singapore or any part of the world. Right. For this video, we will be doing another assembly video, but this time is on the SMNU Security Lock. So without further ado, let's go over to the video. Okay guys, so welcome back to the work table. Today we are going to assemble the SMNU Security Lock. For those who are wondering how it looks like, alright, what you are seeing here is actually the key of the SMNU Security Lock. And if you turn it around, you will see the knob itself, which we will going to be attached to the arm of the handphone holder. Alright, so if I take out the knob, you can see that there are threadings inside which matches the key. Right, you use this to unlock or unscrew or even tighten the arm of the handphone holder. Alright, so we are going to put this in back into the key, get it ready for the assembly. Alright, so what you're going to need is actually only the handphone holder arm. You don't need the handphone holder or the mount. Right, you're going to hold it in your hand. Right, if you're not confident of holding it in your hand, you can actually use I got two rubber bands here. What you can do is to tie the ends of the arm like so. Alright, so I've tried to make this video as clear as possible, but oh well. And here you go. Done. So you secure the ends. Now hold it in your hand, unscrew the original knob of the arm until it comes off. Right, I'm going to set this aside because we're not going to need it anymore. Right, and look at this, how strong it is, the spring inside. Right, so again we're going to grip it so that the screw comes out. Going to take the SMNU Security Lock and screw it on. Screw it on till the end because we're going to take off the rubber bands. Alright, off you go. The other rubber band, off you go. And you're done. So basically you have already assembled the SMNU Security Lock onto your handphone arm. In this case, I'm using my MWUPP brand handphone holder arm. Okay guys, there you have it. I hope the video has helped you install or assemble your SMNU Security Lock. Alright, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share to your friends or whoever needs it most. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to be informed of the latest video. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe.